Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated at the G7 summit in Hiroshima, Japan today. He was welcomed by Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida at the venue. At the summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden greeted each other warmly. On the sidelines of the G7 summit, Prime Minister Modi held bilateral talks with the Prime Minister of Japan, President of South Korea, and Prime Minister of Vietnam. During the meeting with the Prime Minister of Japan, Fumio Kishida, both leaders discussed ways to enhance India-Japan friendship across different sectors, including trade, economy, and culture. According to the External Affairs Ministry, both the Prime Ministers discussed ways to synergize efforts of their respective G7 and G20 presidencies and the need to highlight the voice of Global South. The Reserve Bank of